Walgreens deals this week, so you still have time to get this deal. It's good for a few more days, and here it is. We got the Downy softener for $10.99, and there's a $3 digital coupon in the Walgreens app. Plus, we have the Downy beads that are also $10.99 with also a $3 digital coupon in the app. And for buying those two products, you're gonna get a $5 registered reward, so you're gonna get this back. But that's not all. It's still printing the double register reward. So you're not only going to get one, you're going to get two back. The other one is for spending $20 or more in P&G products. So it's still working. Go get yours. Now, I also put it together with the Dove offer where you buy two, $4 each for a total of $8. And there's a $4 digital coupon that comes off, so you'll have to pay $4, $2 for each one. You don't get something back, but it's still a great deal, $2 for each one, and they're pretty big. So I also added the Colgate, and the Colgates are $4.50 each product, one the toothpaste and the brush. And the toothbrush has $3 off a digital coupon. The toothpaste has $2 off a digital coupon. So the total is $9 for both, minus those $5 digital coupons. You'll have to pay $4 out of pocket, but you will get back $4 in a registered reward. So that's basically going to come out to just the taxes for that portion. And the last thing, I picked up a Nivea for $1.49 to complete the transaction. So here's a breakdown of how everything went. So here's an $8 for the two Doves, the $10.99 each of the Downy, $4.50 for each of the Colgate, and the $1.49 for the Nivea cream. So I used two registered rewards from prior purchases, and all these are those digital coupons that came off perfectly fine. I was left to pay $13.52 before taxes, but this is what I got back. I got back $7 from a booster that I used in this transaction for a total of $7. And I also got back the two registered rewards for having bought the Downy purchase of $5 for purchasing two, and $5 of the P&G products that if you spend $20 or more, you're going to get back one of these $5 ones on select items. So that worked out great for the Downy. Then here is the $4 back that I got for the Colgate purchase, leaving those only the taxes. So all this transaction turned out to be amazing. I hope you get yours, and let me know in the comments if you have any couponing questions. Don't forget to smile.